I'm Milind Patil. Today on 13th August, I'm going to discuss about the topic uh, MVC, means Model View Controller and REST APIs. So first of all, what is MVC? Yeah, MVC is a Model View Controller. It is a software design pattern commonly used for developing user interfaces that divide the related program logic into three interconnected elements, that is a model view and the controller. Okay, this is done to separate internal representations of information from the ways information is presented and accepted from user. Okay, traditionally it's used for desktop graphic user interfaces, that is GUIs. This pattern has become more popular that on the today's days for designing the web applications in the developing field. Now, the main what are the main components of the MVC? So first of all, the first one is a model. The control the control component of the its control the components of the pattern. It is an application's dynamic data structure independent of the user interface. Okay, so user cannot be directly use or they cannot be direct access that model. Okay, it directly manage the data and the logic and the rules of the application. So basically the model is your code. Suppose you are works in the Java, works on server with the help of the Java language. So the code you have written into Java is basically the model. Okay, no, all not all the code, but the variables in it are represent the model. Okay, and the code represent the controller. Okay, view. Any representation of the information, such as a chart, diagram, or the table, is represented by the views. Multiple views of the same information also can be possible, such as a bar chart management and a tubular view of for accounts. Okay, now the third one is a controller. It accepts the input and convert it to the commands for the model or the view. Okay, the logic is implemented by that controller. Okay, now the MVC, now the REST APIs. So REST APIs, also known as the RESTful APIs. Okay, and REST APIs is an application programming interface that conforms to the constraints of the REST architecture style and allows the interaction with the RESTful web services. Okay, REST stands for the represents the state transfer and was created by Roy Fielding. Okay, now and what is an API? An API is a set of the definition and the protocols for the building and integrating building and integrating the applications, softwares. It's sometime referred to as a contact between an information provider and a user, means information user. Okay, now the next point is what is difference between the model view controller and the REST APIs. Okay, so first point is the MVC is about how the inner side of your app works or the your web page works. Okay, and the rest is about how your app or the web page is talks with the other apps. Now The second important point is the MVC provides a means to organize your application code, mm, making it easier to maintain. Okay, and the rest sanitize and simplifies the addressing access to features of a web application for the users, client, software, etc. Okay, so it's all about the what is the MVC, REST APIs, and the difference between MVC and the REST API. Okay, thank you, sir.